Fine, we can go in. You can take a break for a little while if you want. You want to go in for a little while?
No.
So then stop whining. You got it? Hold on.
Why you always go away? Come on, Dad.
I'm not going away.
You always get up and come back.
Because we out here having fun in the snow, buddy.
Dad.
Yes.
Daddy, can you?
Yeah, I always miss you.
Wipe your hands like that.
It's cold.
Look, go right there, Blake.
Yeah.
Bend down and look at this one. Bend down, they can't see you. Bend all the way down. There you go.
Oh, Daddy.
Come on, we doing it. We're rocking. Oh.
Yeah, you leave.
Okay, I gotta turn it. Why you keep turning it like
I
that?
don't know, because I need these gloves.
Yeah, but you need the gloves.
Shit, buy like me new gloves and I'll be good.
The store's closed right now.
How?
Because it's snowing.
Was it every
No, come on, Brian. You can put it in.
Was it every store is closed?
Yes.
So when it's not snowing, it's going to open back?
Uh-huh. Where you going, Blake?
Dad.
Go ahead, drop it. There you go, buddy. Look, we're building all this snow right here. As you can see.
To make a snowman.
Oh, Blake?
No, for us.
Who's going to make the snowman?
For us.
Okay, we're going to try.
That's one.
You need a carrot to make a snowman too.
Don't worry.
Like big boy carrot.
At least it stopped raining for us to have some fun. You okay? You make a tissue for your face? You mean wipe your face?
No.
It's got the. I think it's gonna stop snowing.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, Blake, over here. Come on, Blake. What?
You see too hard.
Daddy,
What?
then it's starting to get cold.
All right, so go in for a little while, for 5 minutes. Go to mom. Go in and then come right back in a little while.
No, I just want to say.
Go ahead, go to mom.
I don't want to say my boots off. That's all I want to say.
Oh, there we go. We are building a snowman, guys. And that's what we're doing. We're building.
No, let me put it in.
Okay, hold on. Let me get some more snow.
How many snow you got?
I got enough.
Like eight, 6?
Yep. I got enough. Enough for us to rock and roll, little buddy. There you go. Oh, there we go. It's in there. I'm trying to make sure this is right here.
Dad, look at my kid.
That's easy.
Dad, look at my kid. Dad, look at my kid.
Woo. That's a cool, awesome kick right there.
Hey, that's my kid.
Oh, you kicking too? Everybody's kicking.
Hey, Dad, can I throw the snowball?
No, Byron's sitting right here.
There's no time.
Throw it right here on the slide.
Let's just go throw it right there.
Hold on.
Dad, let's go.
I am going. Let me see if they're still watching us.
Dad, no, we're not live.
Yes, we are. We've been live. We are live, Brian. You didn't know we was live, huh, Blake? Hold on. You didn't know we was live.
Dad, come on. Oh, just come. Dad.
I'm
Dad.
coming.
Oh, my God, Dad.
You didn't think we was live, Byron? You thought we wasn't live, buddy? Yes, we are.
Oh, Daddy.
Come on, Blake. Go get it. You ready? You ready to go in the house?
No.
Come on, let's go in the house. Come on, what? The snow's hurting? Snow doesn't hurt.
Snow hurts my eyes.
I don't have any goggles. You want goggles? Huh? Blake, let me see if I can find the goggles.
No, it's so great.
I don't know where it's at.
It's so great, Dad.
Plus it might hurt your face because it's going to be tight. You'll be fine. You're a big boy. You're 7.
Dad,
Yes.
I'm 100 meters from you.
You're 100 meters from me?
Yeah.
That's really cool, guys. That's really cool.
Dad, where are you going?
I'm right here.
Come on, Dad. You're sleeping. Come back.
I'm right here.
Oh my God, babe!
Where's our van? Where's our Alicia?
She's on the floor in the tea cave sleeping.
Look at Byron out here.
Look at Byron. Good job. Look at Blake Benjamin.
Yeah.
Are you having fun? Are you cold?
They're cold, babes, but
All right, bring them in, babe.
they don't want to go in. Blake said he was cold. I said go in for a little while.
Come in for a little while, Blake.
He said,
Blake Benjamin.
oh, man, good job, buddy. Babe, can you find my phone?
Where is it, babe?
I have no idea. Chris is in the front. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go in for a little while, okay? You want to go play the game for a little while?
No.
Let's go for a little while. You having fun? Blake, are you having fun down there? Are you sure? Go to the go to the game room and bring the slide down. Inside the bathroom. You want to slide down the hill?
Yeah.
Go to the game room, go in the bathroom, and give me the slide.
Okay.
And you going for a slide.
You're going to leave.
No, I'm not. I'm just going to watch him. Woo-hoo-hoo.
No, because you're going to get
But who's outside enjoying the snow, buddy? Exactly. You said, Daddy, my day is ruined because I don't have any snow. And I'm like, Byron, you got the snow came back. It was raining. It was hailing. It was doing a little bit of everything, and now it's snowing again. It's just, this is his second time, guys, seeing snow. Once 3 years ago and today. So two times in the last 3 to 4 years has he seen snow. So this is really a big deal, guys. This is not something that's like we take
Dad, come
lightly.
on, Dad.
I'm talking too much? All right, I'm sorry. Where's your glove? Where is it?
Right here.
Go get the slide and I'll put it on when you come back. You don't need to go in the house with the gloves on.
I can't open that door.
Go through this way. Slow down. You're going down the stairs, buddy. Okay, come on, but I'm gonna bring you in.
No.
I think you guys are ready to come in.
Please. Stop it. No, stop going in my eyes.
I can't stop the snow from going on you. Look at it. Look at my head. It's going on my head, right? I can't stop that, buddy. There's nothing I could do. It's snowing. You want it to stop snowing?
Dad, I can sit on your lap in the truck, please.
You want to sit on my lap? So be finished with this for a little while?
No, let's take the person back.
What? Daddy got you? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Where you going? We sitting outside. We're just enjoying the snow, guys. That's what we're doing. This is really fun. It's an amazing time.
was such cool.
All right, so let's go in. We had fun.
No.
We did a video. We had fun. What else you want to do?
There's a tree flying.
Huh?
There's a tree.
His boots was too. He would not let me put the boots on. So he's outside with his sneakers on. I got sneakers on too. I think I may have put your sneakers on the wrong feet. I put his sneakers on the wrong feet and everything, guys.
Whoa.
Let me see. Come on, over here. No, bring it right here. Go ahead. Wow, Blake, you gotta do it one more time. I gotta be able to catch that. Hold on, come over here, Blake. Hold on, man. I ain't going nowhere.